everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, right now I will be listening to another song from They Call Him OG. This song is called Guns and Roses. It's like above 4 minutes, the duration of the song. So I think it could be a lyrical video, but again there are no subtitles. Let's see. So yeah, let's listen to this song right away.
Rise for the warrior, bow to the savior, the daddy conqueror, king and the lord. Rise for the warrior, bow to the savior, the daddy conqueror, king and the lord.
Oh, I like this beginning. Still English lyrics till now. Woo! I'm sorry. That is so sick. I love that. Taman is absolutely cooking in this. Oh, is this a completely English song then? Let's see. That beat drop was so good. I have to listen to that again. Animation is sick. It's all vibes, huh? This song. The amount of effort in this lyric video. Oh my god, that synth music in the background is so good. Oh my god, that synth music is killing me. So good. It's not full English, but I don't mind. It's awesome. Wow. Oh my god. This is even more hype than Firestorm. Woo! sick. This is even more hype than Firestorm, guys. More hype than Firestorm. Was crazy. Sorry, I'm sure in the end, in the music reaction, you would have seen a cut. The lights went off, the electricity went out, so I couldn't help it. So that's why there would be an abrupt cut in between. Sorry for that. But this song, I mean, this tops Firestorm for me. This tops Firestorm for me in terms of music. Now, lyrics, obviously, I can't comment, but in terms of just music, Taman, I'm fainting. This song is that good. It just gives you complete hype. I feel that this movie is gonna be just hype every scene. Why do I feel like that, huh? Why do I feel like that? Because in this song, I loved how the instrumentals were so good. Okay, let me just wrap my head around with how it starts. When the song starts, you get the voice, and there is this sound which is synced with all the guns. Just then only I'm like, that is so cool. That, I think it's in the first 15-20 seconds. That was just absolutely insanely done. And then it just builds up, and just the beat drop is so good. And I loved how in the beginning I just forgot to see who are the singers. So that's sweet. So I just want to see who did the rap first. Harsha D. I loved his cadence. Because it was so stylish. I think it's one of the most unique cadences that I have listened to. The way he was saying his verses, it was amazing. Like, there's style in that, there's swag in that, and you kind of, you would hear it, like you can hear him clearly, but he's saying the words in a different way where you would have to, like, okay, he's probably eating some syllables here and there, but that's a style. I love that. And then the lyrics for the rap were written by Advitya. Oh, that's a beautiful name, huh? It's a beautiful name. So, male harmony, Saket, Prudhvi, Arun and Ritesh, 4 people. And, oh no, there are more people here. There's way too many people. But who's the main singer who was after the rap? It's not written. Okay. Oh, but I think that is all in harmony. It's not just the one singer singing, because yeah, it has to be all in harmony. Correct. My bad. I was so into the song that maybe just I did not register it that time. But I loved the switch in the languages. It was just so well done. It was so well executed, and just the music. I think for me in this song, because I obviously cannot comment on the lyrics, but I'm sure the lyrics, because considering the rap in English, I think the whole song is about him being awesome, like OG being like his best and badass self. The effort that has been put into this animation is beautiful. I think Firestorm itself was a beautifully made lyric video, but this one was just stunning to look at. It's stunning to look at. I am waiting, so we're not gonna get a trailer, huh? Because the release is not very far now, huh? It's not very far off. So what, they're gonna release the trailer 2-3 days before? I mean, I wouldn't mind. But the music, I think the biggest plus point for this song is Taman absolutely cooking. Like, he cooked his haters here. I am sorry to say, but this is like nothing like I've heard Taman before. Like, Taman is out for blood. Like, I am not even kidding here. I have loved his music for many years, but this specifically, I'm telling you, the kind of instrumentation, the sound designing, the way the music, mixing and mastering has been done for both Firestorm and this, and even the glimpses that I have seen, the music in that, I think the one consistent thing has been that Taman is out for blood. He's like, I am going to cook so hard that my haters are going to burn in hell, because this is crazy. This is the kind of music that says that, yeah, don't try to think that, I am out of the scene or I am outdated or something like that. This absolutely is such a banger of a song, and the music makes it what it is. It is the music. It is Taman's music. So I loved it. Fantastic. Firestorm is a great song, but this definitely tops Firestorm for me. Is a personal opinion. So yeah, that was my reaction to Guns and Roses by They Call Him OG, and I'm gonna sign off now. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.